So if we want to change the grading category for an assignment, we'll go into the editor for the assignment, and we'll go into settings, and we can change it from the drop-down menu here. Let's say we want to change this one to an assessment, and we can do it there. But there's another way to do it. Let's say if we want to change multiple assignments for the grading category. What we do is we come up here and go to weights, and here's where it shows you all the folders for all your grading categories. So let's say I want to change the grading category not just for session 34 here, but for 33 and 31 and 30. All I have to do is click and drag them into the assessments folder. So I'll do it for all three. And now they're in the assessments folder. And if I go back and look at them, they've been changed to assessments. So it's just an easier, quicker way to change the grading categories for multiple assignments.